Hello friends, welcome to Happy Institute YouTube channel. Happy Institute is one among the leading institutes imparting training in stenography. The institute in the last 35 years has helped hundreds of aspirants of government jobs in fulfilling their dreams. Students of this institute have secured top ranks in various All India competitive exams held by UPSC, SSC, DSSB, IBPS, and other recruitment agencies and are working in almost every department of Government of India, be it Ministry of External Affairs, Railway Board, Home Ministry, Election Commission of India, Income Tax Department, CBI, and other prestigious organizations like Supreme Court and High Court. We also publish happy speed dictations for developing speed with passages meticulously selected from latest topics with practical phrases and simpler outlines. This book has become the most prominent choice of almost every reputed institute, teacher, and student of stenography in a short span of time. The proof of its popularity is that in the last 3.5 years, more than 25,000 copies have been sold all over India. We have now launched a series of legal dictations to help aspirants who have to appear in skill test of Punjab and Haryana High Court on 27th February 2022. The dictation is released every day at 1 p.m. on Happy Institute YouTube channel. The students are requested to write and transcribe this dictation and compare with the original passage given in the description more than once if required. Please like and share every dictation that you write and subscribe to Happy Institute YouTube channel. Get ready for dictation, please. 5 seconds. Start. In deference to the above stated order, a compliance report has been submitted wherein it has been stated that the relevant records have been received, seized, and secured. The same have been sealed and placed in the custody of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. On the previous date of hearing, it was also brought to our notice that the state of Punjab has constituted a committee to carry out a thorough probe into the lapses that occurred during the Firozpur visit of the Honorable Prime Minister. The committee comprised of a former judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court and Principal Secretary, Home Affairs and Justice, Government of Punjab. It was urged on behalf of learned senior counsel for the petitioner that since lapses in the breach of security of the Honorable Prime Minister are being seriously attributed to the authorities of the state of Punjab, the constitution of an enquiry committee by the state was nothing but an abortive attempt to become a judge in its own cause. The state of Punjab, on the other hand, has placed on record copies of the show cause notices issued by the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, Internal Security Division, dated January 6, 2022, to various functionaries of the state of Punjab, including its Chief Secretary and Director General of Police. The show cause notices required the officers to respond within 24 hours as to why disciplinary action under the All India Services Discipline and Appeal Rules 1969 should not be initiated against them for their omissions and commissions. The learned Advocate General for the state of Punjab urged that the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, has in a way already held the officers of the Government of Punjab guilty of the alleged negligence and breach of security of the Honorable Prime Minister. He maintained that none of the agencies of the state government had committed a dereliction of their responsibility for the security and safety of the Honorable Prime Minister, yet there is a smear campaign to discredit the state government. All the same, the learned Advocate General for the state fairly offered that the state is more than willing to have an independent enquiry of the matter. We have heard learned counsel for the parties at considerable length and studied the provisions of the Special Protection Group Act 1988 along with the relevant contents of the Blue Book. The legislative scheme of the Act is quite comprehensive with respect to ensuring proximate security of the Prime Minister or a former Prime Minister or their family members, as the case may be. The Blue Book contains an unambiguous and detailed procedure to be observed by the state authorities and the Special Protection Group to ensure full safety and security of the Prime Minister while he is touring a state. The additional object is to avoid any human error, negligence, or any willful omission or commission which may hamper and slash or expose the safety and security of the executive head of the nation while he is traveling in a particular state. Any lapse in this regard can lead to devastating and serious consequences.